students, we will start next part of this chapter to solve the quadratic equation by completing square method. Now see the equation x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation, we cannot solve by method of factorization because we cannot find two factors of 2 and whose the sum is 10. So in this case, we use completing square method for solve the quadratic equation. In your textbook, page number 37, given one example. This is the example x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. We cannot factorize these two. So we use the completing square method. What is the completing square method? First we transfer this constant into this side and then convert into this side in a binomial and remove the square of binomial and put the square of RHS side. So this is the steps of completing square method. Now see the example x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the constant. First we transfer into that side. Therefore x square plus 10x is equal to here plus that side become a minus. So minus 2. Now this is the binomial. We convert into a complete square method. So one thing important, that is here the coefficient of x square should be always 1. If here any coefficient, then divide the equation on both sides. So here as it is, there is a 1 coefficient. So x square coefficient become a 1. So this is our standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now suppose here by coefficient, so we divide both sides. Now here this term 10x we transfer into 2ab. So x square plus 10x is equal to minus 2. This we convert into 2ab. So x square plus 2 into here x into 5 is equal to minus. Now here the equation x square plus 2 into x into 5 is equal to minus 2. So here 2, this become a and this become a b. So this 5 5 square we add on both side of the equation. So x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square is equal to minus 2 plus 5 square. So this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. The expansion of this, so this is the a, this is 2a, b and b square. So we form x plus 5 whole square is equal to minus 2. 5 square 25, so plus 25. So x plus 5 whole square is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 2 plus 23. Now taking square root the both side, so x plus 5 is equal to plus minus root 23. So first we take the plus root 3. So x plus 5 is equal to root 23 or x plus, sorry, here we write only 5. So x plus 5 is equal to minus root 23. Now x is equal to root 23, here 5 plus, that side minus, so minus 5. Here x plus 5 minus root 23 minus 5. So we write this type also, minus 5 plus root 23 and x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23. Now here the minus 5 plus root 23 and minus 5 minus root 23 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Here x plus 5 is equal to plus minus under root 23. First we take x plus 5 is equal to under root 23 plus under root 23 or x plus 5 is equal to minus under root 23. Here x is equal to under root 23, 5 here plus that side minus, so minus 5. Here x minus under root 23, here minus 5. We write this type also, minus root 5 minus plus under root 23, x is equal to minus 5 minus under root 23. So minus 5 plus under root 23 and minus 5 minus under root 23 are the roots of quadratic equation. Now we see the practice set 2.3. First equation, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So we find out this factor for the use of completing square method. Now first we convert constant term into that side, and here coefficient become already 1. So we cannot divide. So any number. So we will take a constant in that side. So x square plus x is equal to 20. 20 here minus that side become a plus. Now this we x square plus x, this term remain. Now we convert into this term, only this term, 2ab. So x square, how we convert? X square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2 is equal to 20. Here 2 cancel, the x remain, so we form this term. Now this 1 upon 2 square, we add both side of the equation. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to 20 plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now again this is the form in a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Here this is the a, this is the 2, this a, here b, and this is the b square. And we form a plus b whole square. Now we see this x plus 1 upon 2 whole square. And here we simplify this 20 plus 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 4. Now we simplify this 20 into 4 plus 1 here upon 4. 20 plus 4, 80 plus 1 upon 4. So we form 81 upon 4. Here x plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now taking root both side, so x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus minus under root 81 upon 4. So therefore x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus minus 81 is a square of 9. So 9 and here upon 2. Now first we take x plus 1 is equal to plus 9 upon 2, or x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Here plus, that side become a minus. So x equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. X equal to denominator same. So 9 minus 1 upon 2. So x equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. This is the value of x. Now next part is a x is equal to minus 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So x equal to 2 minus 9 minus 1. So x equal to minus 10 upon 2, and there x equal to minus 5. So 4 and minus 5 are the roots of this equation. Now practice set 2.3, example number 4. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient y become a 9, but we need their coefficient become a 1. So we divide 9 both side of the equation. So we divide 9 both side of equation. So 9 y square upon 9 minus 12 upon 9 y plus 2 upon 9. So 0 upon 9. Here 9 cancel. Y square minus 12 upon 9 means 4 upon 3. Y is equal to plus 2 upon 9. 0 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now this is the constant. We transfer constant in that side. So y square minus 4 upon 3 y is equal to minus 2 upon 9. Here plus, that side minus. So we convert this into 2ab form. So y square minus 2 into y into 4 upon 3 into 2. So is equal to minus 2 upon 9. Here 2y and 2 cancel, we form 4 upon 3y this term. So we convert this time. So this is the equation. Now we form the here y square minus 2 y into y. Here into 2 divided 4 divided by 2, so 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 9. This we found. Now this square of 2 upon 3, I add both sides of the equation. So we form y square minus 2 into y into 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 square whole square is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 whole square. Now this is the equation in a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. This is the a, this is the 2. Here y become a and b 2 upon 3 and this is the b square. So we form y minus 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 upon 9 square of this 4 upon 9 or 3 square 9. Now simplify this, y minus 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 plus 4 upon 9. So we write here, so here minus 2 plus 4 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to 2 upon 9. So taking square root both sides, so y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus under root 2 upon 9. Here y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 upon 3. So first we take plus and then we take minus. So y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus root 2 upon 3 or y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus root 2 upon 3. So we shift minus 2 upon 3 that side. So root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3. So y is equal to root 2 plus 2 upon 3. We write this type 2 plus root 2 upon 3. Now here y is equal to minus root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Now y is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 upon 3. So y is equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and 2 minus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation.